Question number 8. Divide by using Nikhilam method. It is a Vedic method. First part, A 102 divided by 9, 311 divided by 8, C 198 divided by 96, 3023 divided by 98. Solution. A 102 divided by 9. First you will break this number into two parts. One digit number, 3 digit. Dividend is 102, divider is 9. So dividend will break into two parts. It is one digit number, so the ones will be the third part of this question. Second part. And 10 is the first part. Divider 9 is here. 9 is divider. And it, if we, the biggest or greatest number of two digit is 10. And we subtract 10 minus 9 equal to 1. Why 10? We choose 10. 10 is the base number. 10, 100 are the base number. So we subtract 10 minus 9 from 10. And 1 is here complement. 1 is the complement because complement. 1 is the complement. First, we will start doing this question. We put 1 from the first number of dividend. 1 is here, 100. And 1, we say 1. It will put it in the below of the line. And then you multiply this complement with by this number. 1 multiply with mine. And you will write it by the next number. Under the next number. 1 1 ja 1. And then add 0 plus 1. 0 add 1 add with 0. And it will become 1. And now the second number 1. You multiply the complement with this number. By this number. 1 1 ja 1 and it write it into the under the next number. Under the next number. And 1 1 ja 1. And add 2 plus 1. 1 add with 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 is the remainder. The second number is remainder and the first is quotient. And it is 3 is remainder. And this, you have solved this question. We have solved this question. We have got question 11 and 3 remainder. The answer is 11 is the question and 3 is the remainder. Next question. B. No, C is easy for you and you will do it at your home. I will tell you, I will teach you the C parts of this question. 198 divided by 96 because it is a 2-digit number. So first break the number into two parts. 1 and 98. Why 98 is here? Because it is a 2-digit number. So dividend will break into two parts. The second part will be the 2-digit number. The first part will be 1-digit number or 2-digit number. First you choose 98 and the other number you will write in the first part. 96 is the divider and complement 100 minus 96. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. So complement is equal to 0, 4. First you put 1 from 1 below of the line and multiply it with 0, 4. 1 0 0 1 4 ja 4 and then add 8 and 4, add the 8 and 4 to 12, 9 10 11 12, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 equal to 100, but it is a big remainder, so it is not complete. We will subtract the divider from 102 because it is bigger than the divider. So we will subtract 96 by this number. 12 minus 6 equal to 6. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. And you will also add, because you have subtract in once time. So you will write here 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. The 2 is the quotient. And 06 is the remainder. Now we will solve the D part of this question. Divide by using Nikilam method. 3023 divided by 98. We will write it in the next page. D. 3023 divided by 98. 98 is the divider. First part 30 and 23 will be the second and third part of this question. Subtract 98 from 100. 10 minus 8 equal to 2. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. So the complement is 0, 2. First put the 3 here. 3 0 0. Multiply 0 2 with by 3 with 3. 3 0 0. 3 2 ja 6. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. And 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 3 is here. 30 is the quotient. And 83 is the remainder. Thus, you have solved the 3 questions. The last B part. 311 divided by 8. You will do it at your home. And also, I will give a new question for you. 2 3 20 25 divided by 97. You will do the next 2 questions at your home and you